Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you again. Today's episode is going to be me. I wasn't even planning on fishing today. Of course, I've always got my hatchback loaded down with all my gear, just in case. It was super windy, and Beth wanted to go into Cole, so I decided to go around to the pond in the back, because there's a police officer parked right by where I fish in the other one, and I thought he might say something. They never have said anything to me there, but... So let me just try the one in the back first and see if I can even cast in this wind and everything. So it was really windy, and ended up picking up a little bit of footage. So hope you enjoy it. Get at it. I got him. GoPro. Start recording. Okay, I've got the biggest one I've ever had back here on this little pond. I got him all the way out there. He popped it, and then he popped it again. Let's hope I can get him in, because he's a good size one. This is a good one for this pond. I didn't know there was one back here still this big. I'd seen one. Yeah, that's a good bass. That's a good bass, and he hit it all the way out there. Thank you, Lord. All right, I'll have to get this. I have to let him go. Do this. Hope you don't spit the hook. Still between the fence. Don't panic. Click the bail. Get him up. Come on, get him up. He's trying to get me down there in that weeds. He is getting me down there in the weeds. Okay. This is a good bass. Caught him swim bait all the way up against that wall. I cast it back there and he came up and got it. I don't like where I'm at on this wood here. See if I can get him in here. See if I can get him. All right, come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Come on. See, when you can barely get them through the bars, that's when they're good size. Yes. Ow, he just bit the crap out of me. Ooh. Yes, that's getting a bass right there. That's getting a bass. Okay, this is a swim bait bass back here in this little tiny pond. This joker's mean. He bites hard. I wasn't sure I was going to get one back here. Darn sure didn't think it was going to be this big. There's a good fish. I don't know if he'll go two or not. He's going to be close. I bet you we're going to be right around 2 pounds. 238, 224, 231, 227, 231, 229, 227. So about a 2.3 pound largemouth bass. So that's a nice bass, especially for this pond. I mean, I've seen a couple big ones. I've seen a big one here a couple of times. Look at him. That guy was mean, man. He bit me. He was powerful. I'll take him all day long. There's one hitting at it. And I got him. I got another one. So it's fast. I got another one. Yes, look at that. 2 casts later. Another good one. It's another good one. 2 casts later, I think it was. Yes. It's another one. Man, these guys in here ain't no joke today. Come on. Yes, there's another one. Yes. Got this cold front coming, and I guess they're biting. That one there, he's probably about 2. He's a little bit smaller than that other one. But man, he fought good. All I can say is thank you. All right. Look at there. Ooh. Okay, fish friends. Hope you enjoyed that one. I had a good time. Just a few minutes there, but look what ends up happening sometimes. You got to try. And I'm aware now that there are, better bass in that small pond. And they're under that green moss. They're all in it. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did. Until next time, keep fishing.